Welcome to Jongik's channel. In this video, we're going to discover Chemnitz, Germany, or Karl Marx city, the third largest city after Leipzig and Dresden. I hope that you're going to like this video.
Chemnitz used trams and buses as form of public transportation. It is actually a huge city, so a day tour is not enough for you to be able to cover the entire city. So the attractions here are also quite far away. So I just went for a walk in the city. So like other cities in Germany, Chemnitz also has its called Altstadt or Old City. So there you will see their huge old establishments. There is a large park located in the middle of the city. It is actually surrounded by large buildings, and right in front of the park is the train station and the bus station. Actually, the central station is not far away from the park. It's just a distance. It's like 2 kilometers away from the park, so you can just walk from the park going to the central station. At a short distance from the park is a very popular shopping mall. Near this mall is their Rathaus. There are many sellers of various goods here, especially on weekends, because they do like a market here or a flow mart. So many people visit the place. Actually, as I've observed, Chemnitz is a very busy city. So adding to the attraction is the fountain near their Rathaus. The road of Chemnitz is actually very wide, so as I continued my tour around the place, I found one of the largest churches in the area. So it's actually very nice to see the surroundings of the church because of the trees around it that bloom in pink. So in addition to that, there are also restaurants that places canopies around the area, and it's fun to watch the people dine in the same area. So near the city park, you will find a huge stone statue of Karl Marx. So that statue's head is actually really very huge. So there are also many people taking pictures and going to Chemnitz because of that statue. It's actually famous. So not far from the Karl Marx statue is their theater. So you will truly be wowed in their theater because of the beautiful surroundings. Within the area, you will find a large, beautifully made church that also gives additional attraction to the area. Even though I haven't been around the whole place much, I know that it is beautiful and it has a lot to share to all the tourists who will come here. I am happy that even during my short visit to the area, I was able to see some of the most important parts of Chemnitz history, their churches, their Rathaus, and even the parks and the trains, a very beautiful one, and even Karl Marx statue. If I am given the chance again, I would like to visit Chemnitz and see its other tourist attractions. I want to share my experience to help all of those who are going to Chemnitz in the future.
I wish you would have fun when you visit Chemnitz, Germany, and I wish that this video also helps you and gives you an idea on what Chemnitz look like. And to those of you who haven't subscribed to this channel yet, kindly click on the subscribe button below. Until my next travel, this is Jongik's channel. Tschüss!